everybody. I want to say welcome back to the channel. Before we get going, I just want to say thanks to everybody that subscribed to the channel. We hit the 400 subscriber mark, so I think that's pretty good. I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope you're enjoying the videos. By chance, if you have not subscribed, please do. We'd love to double that number as quick as we can. But anyway, we're going to get going on this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So what I'm doing on this Fender right now is I'm looking for dents. We stripped it down to bare metal, primed it with epoxy primer. So now we're looking for any dents that we can find so we can fill them or pull them out and then fill them. So we'll just go over the whole Fender. It's kind of an X pattern. We'll look for spots that don't get sanded, would be our low spots. It can get shiny real fast, that's a high spot. And these really small waves, areas that are not sanded, will probably get filled with primer. So far this Fender looks really good. I don't see a need for filler anywhere on the top so far. Best panel on the whole truck. So I'm going around this door trying to find all the dents. We stripped it to bare metal and we primed it with black epoxy, so I can lightly block over it with a straight stick, straight block. It's going to show me the high spots and the low spots. So then I grind down in the middle of the low spots, put my stud welder studs on there and pull them out. This area right here around the lock cylinder needs to be pulled out. So I need to pull it out evenly. The way I'm going to do that, I just need to give a slight bit of outward pressure evenly, and then I'll tap around the high spot and see if that won't hold it out a little bit. I get a better grip on this thing. So now it's a little flatter. The block's actually catching some of the surface in the middle. So we'll work the edge out maybe. This little high spot in. But it's a lot flatter than it was. might be time to take a break and clean up. Got quite the mess going on. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do. So we're still slaving away on this thing. We're gonna tape it up, get it ready for primer. That way we'll have a nice uniform surface. We'll block that down, find any imperfections that are remaining, prime it again. Hopefully at that point we're ready to paint. Maybe we'll get there at some point.